people think government is not canvassing about their schemes and all, but many industrial areas we usually do campaigns and we wait for the promoters. Actually, sometimes what happens is they will send their second rung accountants and all who just participate and go. But thanks to Avinash Garu and Madam Jagruti, this is a very good opportunity, and even very few interactions which we have in the first session, everybody is happy, and this direct to direct contact opportunity and innovative idea. Last 2 years we don't have any DIAS meetings or exhibitions where industrial products are supported and all, but very, very beautifully organized but very innovative concept. And this I think will take you, you can do it in district level opportunities also where a lot of entrepreneurs can participate. And coming to our NSIC, the National Small Industries Corporation Limited is 1955 organization. It is the first, one of the first PSUs established in independent India for the promotion of micro, small and medium enterprises. Earlier we are into direct machine financing. After independent India, we don't have enterprises, any manufacturers. Even if somebody wants to start an industry, a small lathe machine also is supposed to imported from Germany and Italy. At that time, for supporting industrial community, this public sector was started. Now banks, after nationalization of banks, they are into total project financing, land, building, raw material and everything. So gradually we shifted from machine financing to diversified schemes for the MSMEs. So NSIC supports micro, small and medium enterprises in registration processes, marketing support, finances for raw material and all, and acquiring large scale raw materials from bulk producers of government departments on behalf of small entrepreneurs. There are a lot of schemes. We are sitting at table number 53. You are all welcome to discuss with us. Each individual tailor-made schemes we will have. Depending on your requirement, we from our corporation, we will support you. Otherwise, what are the other government departments which can help you? Like under Ministry of MSME, we have NSIC, KVIC, which is for Khadi Village Industries Commission. They do very small to medium range industry support, marketing support and all. Like for subsidies and all, if somebody wants to start a new industry or going for expansion, state governments will be providing industrial subsidies in machine purchases, taxation, power per cost, also they will be providing lot of subsidies. All these information we will share. Coming to NSIC, we will provide registration facility. The NSIC registered units will benefit in exemption of EMD when participating in central government tenders. If suppose you are supplying your products to any of the central PSUs, either it will be BHEL or defense organizations or steel plants, anybody, if you are giving your service, here it doesn't come means only any product or anything. Even a manpower supply agency also has to participate in government tenders for acquiring orders from them. The units registered with NSIC will be completely exempted from payment of EMD. So without any ticket, you can enter the hall. It is as simple as that. Without any EMD, any financial burden, you can participate in the government tender. If you are L1, then you will be getting the order and based on that you can execute. But for participating in an order, there is no need to any binding of the money. It may appear as a simple as I tell, but lot of tenders will have EMDs ranging to thousands to lakhs of rupees. And any MSME to get an order, they have to participate in any number of tenders, 10, 12 tenders and all. If you are stuck up with your working capital in the tender process itself, when you will get the order, you will be in shortage of money. So to protect the MSMEs from this cash crunch, this scheme was devised. So units registered with NSIC will be exempted from payment of EMD irrespective of the tender value. Based on their eligibility criteria and based on their products, they are completely exempted from payment of EMD. In financial terms, we will be providing raw material support against the security of BG, bank guarantee. So beyond your CCR OD limits, if you have any requirement for finance, we will provide support for purchase of raw materials. The scheme guidelines, finances, rates of interest, everything you can be discussing. And if you want to participate in government tenders, we will be supporting you as a front end also. If it is a huge order and your financials are good but your turnovers are all not supporting, We will participate on your behalf in the government tender. If we are L1, then you will execute the order. So this type for micro and small and medium enterprises, we have lot of schemes. And for newly 2 months back, Finance Minister announced that trade also will be considered as an MSME, but only for lending purpose. Traders will not get the benefits of this EMD exemption and all, but for their financial needs, if they need funds beyond their working capitals or anything, they can approach us. We will provide finances for purchase of raw materials. In trade sector, even now the banks and everything will be treat them as a primary lending sector. Earlier, this prime lending sector category is only for agricultural industry. Now trade also will be considered as a prime lending sector for lending. So this MSME category which was given to traders is for lending only. Thanks for the organizers, Mahati Marketing Essentials, for organizing such a beautiful program and giving us a platform to interact all you with. So because this is lunch and I don't want to take much of the time explaining each and individual scheme, so we have tailor-made schemes for each and every need of the MSMEs, whether they are already existing units or want to start their new entrepreneurs, or they have some idea on how to go ahead to break the ice. We will be helpful to you, not only with our organization's schemes, but anything, either KVIC or DIC or NABARD, any whatever the schemes available, we can share with you. Thank you one and all for their patient listen. Thank you, Avnesh Garu.